peaceful Titan. That is the nickname that I have had for many years. The nickname that I have had since I first stood for peace. I believed it was the best way to navigate the course of history. I was foolish. I made the mistake of believing that we would avoid the follies of man. And that is how I lost my son. Pacifism has failed. I have failed. Now my people demand blood. My grief demands justice. My fury demands vengeance. From this cursed day, I shall sleep no more. Wisdom has now sunk to the very depths of my soul. Today, I am no longer a loving father. I am no longer a philosopher king. I am no longer the peaceful Titan. Today, I am war!